Alright, 1988 Callaway Twin Turbo.
Just gonna do a little video showing the paint condition. I only know of a couple little nicks that I'll show after I just kind of walk around the car. Neat car. Loads of torque. Horsepower is like in the mid upper 300s, but torque is like 560. $7,000 miles, all original, even original tires. Paint's got a nice shine to it. Once one of our vehicles sells, it goes to the service department to get fully checked out. And then when they're done, our detail department, where I'm at right now, will spend about a day or so detailing the car. So polishing it, making this black really pop. If there are any swirl marks, they're very light and hard for me to even find, but that'll come out during the polishing stage. You can see a little bit in the reflection of the sun, so those will disappear. I think there might be one right here. Yeah, a little chip right there and another one up here. Hard to avoid if you drive the car. Original Eagle ZR 40s. Full tread, but they're hard. That's really just for show purposes. If you want to drive the car, you'll probably swap those out. Better tires today. The front is in great shape. I really don't see much for nicks on the front. Was that dust? Yeah, that was dust. A little tiny guy right there. I don't know if the camera can see it. There's one. And nope, that was not one. A little scuff here. That's pretty light. I'm very confident our detail manager can polish that out. But really, nice condition. A little scuff here too. Oh, you know what? That comes right off. It's almost like a little leftover shine, show shine. That's a little hair. I believe that's a little, nope, another piece of dust. It's okay. I just dusted the car, but it's black and it just attracts dust. Wheels are in good shape. They're not curved. See a little delamination there on the clear. Let's check the other one out, the front. Again, no, found a little spot. Again, some little stuff going on. No curbing on this wheel, just this little guy. Let's hit the back one. Trying to keep my shadow out of it. Nothing on the rim section. Oh, no, little guy here. Oh, no, that came off. Door panel's in nice shape. Don't really see any fading on the carpet down there. Weather stripping still nice and soft. This little area right here, I believe this is a frame rail. They get pretty beat up, people dragging their feet over it, but it's still nice and clean. We got plastic down. Pedals don't show much wear on them. So you can find a couple little things if you really look, like a little crack there, maybe right here. You know, I don't know if people go around and just want to tighten things up. Cool old gauges. Seat's in great shape. Minimal wear on the bolster. Let's hop in. Set my phone down. There you go. 7,000 miles. Door ajar. So I have an appointment with our in-house service department to have a look at this and see what the engine code is showing. Oh, it's a service engine soon. Okay, well, we'll have a look at it, figure out what's wrong with it, and correct it. Let's see. So there's oil temp. You flip the switch up to off. Oil pressure, 80 psi. That's nice. Trip odometer. Coolant temp. Range, 19 miles till empty. That doesn't seem too accurate with just shy of a half a tank. Let's see. Coolant temp. Off. Volts. It's charging. Let's see if the radio kicks on. Let's get a station.
Watching the inauguration on TV, and at some point...
Alright. That works. We don't want to listen to NPR right now. Number 5 of 400 in 1988. Here are your power seat controls, window controls, mirror controls. It's the 4+3. Pretty cool. That's fun to use. And this one works well. Alright, let's pop the trunk. Oop. Well, let's pop the hood first. There we go. Big clamshell hood. Twin intercoolers, twin turbos. Good job, Mr. Callaway. That's a cool car. Very neat. Two tops. I believe that's the transparent top under the hatch and the painted top installed. Yeah, that's the painted top. There's the headliner. Oh, all right. Give it a little rev. Very responsive. There's our boost gauge. Super cool. All right. There you have it. Fast Lane Classic Cars, St. Charles, Missouri. My name's Chris. Reach out with any questions. See y'all later. Alright, here we are driving. I'll take it for a quick little spin, and I'm going to show you how the overdrive works. So I'm in 4th gear right now. I'm going to hit this button. Watch, the speed will be the same, and the revs is going to drop a lot. So here we go. Engaged. 2200 to about 1300. Pretty cool. Bump it back off. Yeah, nice. Alright, that's all.